I've been working in beauty product development for 23 years and I'm so excited about this serum. It is the future of anti-aging. Chebula Active Immunity Serum strengthens your skin's immunity to prevent, protect, and correct all signs of aging. The same way our bodies need to build up our immune system to ward off sickness, our skin's immunity needs to be strengthened to ward off free radical and oxidative stress that causes aging. Made for all skin types, this serum features a potent concentration of skincare's next breakthrough ingredient, Chebula. True Botanicals is among the first skincare brands in the world to use this unrivaled ingredient. It delivers dramatic results on 5 signs of aging: roughness and dryness, fine lines and wrinkles, uneven skin tone, skin firmness and elasticity, and it brightens dull skin. It's also one of the most potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatories that I've come across in my entire career. The reason it's so important is because at the root cause of all signs of aging is inflammation. We call it inflammaging. So Chebula actually intercepts the things that cause the inflammaging before they even happen. It's incredible. This multi-targeted super anti-aging ingredient is coupled with immunity-building ingredients such as Echinacea, Elderberry, and ginger to reveal brighter, smoother, younger-looking skin. When you use it, your skin will feel instantly hydrated, bouncy, dewy, and the more you use it, the more results you're going to see. I know you're going to love it.